Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this rose gold little floral bouquet here. And these are the paints that I used. I will show close-ups in the end, and it's just those three colors right there. We have a copper, the rose gold, and a bronze, and then just a deep green for the leaves. So I kept it really basic for this tutorial here. And also in the end I showed some close-ups of, if you do purchase the full set in that box there, it does come with all 6 colors, and these are the other 3 here. The yellow gold, a lighter one, and the silver. I just didn't use them in this particular tutorial, but I just wanted to show them there if anyone was interested in purchasing this particular set. And these are Japanese watercolors, and I did get them off Amazon a while ago, and they are definitely affordable. I think it was around $10. And really quick here, I just wanted to show a size comparison in case anybody was wondering. Yes, these pans are very large. You can see this is a normal full pan right here, and then this is a little half pan. So try to push them up against each other so you can see how large these are. And no, they're not filled to like the tippy top, but still, I think you're definitely getting your money's worth because it's a lot of paint. And the consistency is very good. They're nice and creamy, but it does take a couple passes, and then you can layer them really, really nice. Overall, I am really happy with my purchase. I think that these metallics are really nice. I know I've seen, I'm trying to think, I know Art Philosophy has some of the metallics. There was another brand too that was a lot more expensive, but these are definitely good for the price. And like I said, you can find them on Amazon if you liked the way that it looks here in this tutorial. And yeah, that's about it for today. And be sure to subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more.